everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a Hollister Co account in just a few easy steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to www.holisterco.com. You can do this from your phone or computer. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you already have an account, simply tap sign in and fill up your credentials. But for now, we are trying to sign up, so tap join. Here comes the sign up section. Simply enter your valid email address and create a strong password. And once done, tap continue. Scroll down. And here, enter your name, your last name, here your phone number. Scroll down and tap on the checkbox to agree to the Holister House Rewards terms and conditions and tap Join Holister House Rewards. And that's it. You have successfully created your Holister Co account and can now start shopping, saving your favorites and tracking your orders. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, tap subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.